how to fix Google Photos not downloading. So if you want to fix your Google Photos not downloading, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google Photos and make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection, you won't be able to download your Google Photos. Now, after opening your Google Photos, you need to just simply go and select the photo that you would like to download. Go with the three dots which will be in the top right, and then you will have an option of download, or just simply swipe up and you'll get this kind of interface and you'll be able to download it. But if you don't have an option to download, then it means that the photo is already present on your device. But if it's not, then you just need to simply go back, search for Google Photos, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then restart the device. Once done, you need to open up your Play Store and then go with search. Under search, you need to search for Google Photos, and if you have any updates on your Google Photos, just simply go and update it. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.